This electric dirt bike promises serious power in a portable package. Check the link in the description for the best price. Today we are looking at the TICSKY Electric Dirt Bike to see if it delivers real value for your weekend adventures. Let us take a look at the motor power and the overall riding capability of this machine. This machine is clearly built for speed and torque. Between the high-wattage motor and the included hydraulic disc brakes, the bike covers the essentials for a serious ride. The 4,500-watt motor delivers plenty of punch for steep climbs and rapid acceleration. Having hydraulic disc brakes with ABS adds a necessary layer of safety for high-speed riding. The full suspension setup should soak up most trail bumps and keep the ride comfortable. The motor and braking hardware provide a strong foundation for both speed and safety on the trails. We also need to consider the practical side of owning and maintaining this electric bike. Buying an electric vehicle like this requires thinking about maintenance and support. The value is excellent, but ensure you are ready to handle the initial assembly yourself. You get a lot of hardware and power for this price, making it a strong value. Be prepared to spend time on the final assembly before you take it out. The 1-year warranty period is somewhat limited for a vehicle of this type. While the specs are impressive for the cost, keep in mind the limited warranty coverage provided. Ultimately, this bike packs some impressive numbers, especially the 4,500-watt motor and the swappable battery system. It looks like a great entry point for trail riding, but you should keep the 1-year warranty limitation in mind. If you want a fast, fun way to hit the trails without breaking the bank, it is a compelling option. Just ensure you are comfortable with basic mechanical assembly.